aunties and uncles. It's Desmond. Welcome to Mummy's channel. Who's that handsome boy? Who's that handsome boy? Who's that haggard mum? Who's that haggard mum? As you can see, I'm not looking my best these days. That tends to happen after you have 2 kids. This is self-inflicted for sure. Look how big she is now, everyone.
I'm 4.
You're 4? You're 3, darling. You're 3. Your birthday was yesterday. You're 3. You say, come back, toy.
Bye.
Mummy's gonna go out today. Mummy's gonna have a little bit of me time because I wanna get a glow up. Do you think Mummy needs a glow up? Yeah?
And I need a glow up.
You need a glow up too? Oh, you are already gorgeous. Mummy's hair's falling out. Postpartum hair loss, everyone. It's back with a vengeance. Can you tell I'm tired? This is me in all my mummy glory. Now I don't have a lot of time today, so this video isn't going to be those like 24-hour glow-ups because I literally don't have time, and I don't think I can leave Alf with 2 kids for too long by himself. So my glow-up's going to be quick, affordable and efficient. I'm at Amy Beauty Room, a salon that provides multiple services at the same time. Located in Ho Chi Minh City, this beauty spot is perfect for those who are short on time but still want to feel pampered. Today, I booked in for the ultimate glow-up session. First order of business is a hair wash. For an affordable price of $10, I can get the full whirl treatment where they massage my head, neck, shoulders and arms, then cleanse my face, wash my hair with one of those waterfall style sinks that feel way too fancy for this price point. They shampooed my hair twice and even applied a nourishing hair mask, and of course I rinsed it under the magical waterfall again. Afterwards my hair was blow dried, all whilst I had my feet soaking in some herbal foot bath. Now this is what I call me time. Once my hair was clean and dried, I moved over to the other side of the salon to get what I call the whole shebang. We're talking lashes, mani, pedi, done all at the same time. I'm about to get the whole shebang. There's gonna be like 4 people working on me, and I'm sitting in this comfy chair. Like I think I might fall asleep, guys. It's like power nap, but getting my lashes, my nails done. This is what life's supposed to be. What makes this place so special is their teamwork. You'll have multiple therapists working on you at once like a beauty pit crew. Perfect when you're a tired mum running on caffeine and chaos. Let's cover my lash service. I'm getting a lash lift today. This will perm my lashes and give them a nice curl to help open up my eyes. Usually I barely have time to apply makeup, so this is gonna help me look fresh. First step is softening my lashes. The therapist does this by brushing my lashes upwards onto a lash pad. Then she applies a softening solution for about 10 minutes. Next, she'll switch the pad over to a curved one and applies a second step to lock in the curl shape. I also opted to do a lash tint today. It just helps make my lashes look a little bit more prominent without having to use mascara. Here's a before and after shot of my lashes. My eyes look more open and I don't even have to wear makeup. Best of all, it only cost me $14. If your brows need some love, they also offer brow laminations here, but I came prepared. I actually did mine at home using PerkyPerm from my brand, the Petite Club. In case you're new here, it's a DIY brow lamination kit that I created. I just pop it on when the kids have their nap time and boom, fluffy lifted brows that last over a month. It's super beginner friendly and it won't break the bank. You can use my code TINA20 for 20% off if you want to try it out yourself. I'll leave the link in my description box. Now back to the pampering session. Yes, all this is happening at the same time. I've got people working on my lashes, my mani, my pedi, and somehow I still managed to sneak in a nap. For my pedi, I kept it simple and clean. No foot modeling here. This ain't OnlyFans. My feet are quite shy, so I'll just give you guys a quick sneak peek. Ta-da! This cost me $15 and my feet feel brand new. For my hands, my natural nails have grown out quite nicely, so I figured it was time for something fun. After my nail beds were prepped and my cuticles were cleaned up, here is the design inspo for today. The artist is going to adapt it to my nail shape. I moved over to the manicure table to continue with my nail art design, and I also squeezed in a pump session because, you know, mama's gotta keep her milk supply up. Talk about multitasking. Here she's applying a gel base coat, followed by a coat of builder gel, which will help add some strength to my natural nails. Next, she's painting on 2 coats of a milky white gel. And for the other nails, she's using a jelly nude color. Next comes the fun part. She rubs on a pearl pigment to give my nails a fancy glaze. Then seals that with a coat of builder gel. For my other nails, she creates a French tip design. Using a thicker clear gel, she's going to paint on some 3D swirls and flash cure it as she goes. Now it's time to embellish with pearls and golden charms. Here, the artist is using a putty gel to hand shape a star on my nail, and she's creating a band on the other nail to look like a ring. To make it look like jewelry, she'll rub on a gold chrome pigment. And then of course, your girl needs more gems. Finally, everything is sealed with top coat and voila! A nice, clean yet fancy design, perfect for all occasions. And guess what? It only cost me $45. What? It's the next day now and I can finally put mascara on my lashes. Can we just appreciate how good they look? They're my natural lashes with mascara. You can actually see them. Also, my brows, this is what they look like filled with a little bit of pencil, and then I just brush them into place. Believe it or not, it's been about almost 4 weeks since I laminated them with my brow lamination kit, PerkyPerm. If you guys want to give your brows a glow up, make sure you do check it out. You can do it in the comfort of your own home and your brows will last 4 to 6 weeks. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Look at me, from mom of 2 on survival mode to mama who has her life together. Kinda. Honestly, this was such a good reminder that self-care doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. Just need a few hours, a few dollars, and a good team that can work their magic on you. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. It helps more than you know, and yes, it does help to feed my kids. Joking, not joking. That's it from me. I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!